guys, it's your girl Faith L93, and thank you all for tuning back into my channel. And if you're new to my channel over here just lurking around, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so that you do not miss out on any of my videos. Okay you guys, so today I have a game changer for you all for the butterfly locks, you guys. So I just did my hair. Yes ma'am, yes ma'am. And these are all crochet braids.
Yes. Crochet.
Crochet, crochet, crochet. Okay, so I was sent this hair by this company called Niseyo hair, and I am going to have like a close-up of it, and I am going to leave the link down below so that you guys can purchase this hair. And this hair is handmade butterfly locks, and guys, when I say that they look so good, so I was sent 6 packs. I believe you get 6 packs in a bundle deal. And so I used 5 packs of this hair on my head. So I have one more pack left over. So let me just show you guys real quick. And they did send it to me in the color 1B, and then these are the 12-inch locks. So all of these locks are 12 inches. And it's 1B. Look at how pretty these are, guys. Like, oh my goodness, they look so good. So I'm about to show you guys my whole process of how I did my hair from start to finish, so you'll see my braid pattern and everything else like that. So this style took me 4 hours to do just on my own head. But if I was doing this on somebody else's hair, it probably only take me like 2 hours, because to do the regular butterfly locks, that took me like 7 to 8 on my head, and when I do those on people, it takes me about 4.5 to 5 hours at the most to do them. But yeah, this is definitely a game changer. So they have many different colors to choose from, and they have longer lengths in this hair as well. And these locks look so good, y'all. It looks like I did these myself, like I hand did them. Let me show y'all the back. So this is how. So yeah, this is what the back is looking like. So if you guys want to find out more about how I did this style and how I put this hair in my head, then keep on watching this video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Alright, so I'm starting this style at 5:44. You're going to see me do my braid pattern, and then I'm going to start installing the crochet braids. So first what I'm doing is I'm making the parts for the individuals that I'm going to put in the front. I did 2 rows of individuals in the front, and then I just did regular cornrows in the back. Okay, so here's what it's looking like after I braided everything down. And I'm just going to take some thread and needle and sew that excess braid up so that it's out of the way. And I do like to put an anchor braid down at the bottom so that, like, if I want to flip the hair or pull the hair up into a ponytail or something, then I can do that without it looking crazy in the back. So this is how the hair came packaged. It looked really cute. I like the packaging of it, and they also sent me 2 crochet needles, which I thought was really nice. The hair is like super duper thick, and it is a little hard to try to find the opening for the hole of the hair, but these crochet locks, they look really good. They look really handmade, like they say that they are. And just look at that texture, guys. Like, that texture shot is everything. So like I said, the loop is a little hard to try to undo so that you can crochet your hair through. It's really thick, and so if you are going to do the individuals, especially in the front, I suggest that you do either smaller sections or don't braid your hair all the way down or as far as how I did, because it made it a little bit difficult for me to crochet the hair through. So here I've slowed the video down a little bit, and I tried to focus it in a little bit more so that y'all can see how I'm actually crocheting the individual part. If you watched a few of my other crochet hair tutorials, I've done the same method on this hair. So I'm crocheting both my hair in the butterfly lock through that loop, and I'm just going to pull it through, and then I'm going to take the crochet needle and crochet through the lock and pull my hair actually through. And because these locks are so thick, it does a good job at hiding your braid. But like I said, I suggest you do your braids either really smaller or don't braid down as far as I did, because it can be a little tough to pull the hair through. So these are my finished results, you guys. I love this style. I got so many compliments on it, and I wore this hair for about a month. I would highly suggest getting this hair by Niseyo. So yes, definitely check them out. It literally only took me 4 hours from start to finish.